Hi, hello everyone. My name is Ajit, and in this video, I'm going to talk about PL300 examination, which I gave in the last year. Was it tough? Yes, it was not that easy, I would say. It can also not be, I would say, like very tough. Yeah, somewhere around like 7 out of 10 is something that I rate from the perspective of being tough. So yes, you need to be ready for it. You have to um, prepare for the exam. It's not like if you have some experience in Power BI, you can go ahead and directly give the exam. No, it's not like that. You have to go through some lessons, video lessons, or maybe at least go through the Microsoft lessons that we had, which is like printables or not printable, I would say, which are more text-based courses. So you can read through those courses and then do practice scenarios like practice exams and also do practice on Power BI desktop application. So this exam is not going to be that easy. So if you feel that you can enroll for the exam and then directly go ahead, or maybe go through few practice exams and then directly go to the exam. No, don't do that, guys. Practice for it, and I passed it in my second attempt. So first attempt I literally felt that the heat of it, like I got around 6:30, because 6:30 was almost close. I felt I could have done a little bit much better, but then after just 2 days I gave my second attempt and I passed the exam. So to be frank, and to help you all out, I would say practice and then go for the exam. You will rock. If you have any questions about the PL300 Power BI Data Analyst exam, please put it in the comments. If I'm able to help you all out, then obviously I will um, reply back to your comments and help you all out. Thank you guys. See you soon in the next video. Until then, take care and bye for now.